12 plus 9 times 3 to the power of 2. 12 plus 9 will give us 21. Then we have 21 times 3 to the power of 2. Now we are going to work with our exponent. 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then we have 21 times 9. 21 times 9 will give us 189. 189 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our exponent because it comes first. Our exponent is 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2 will give us 9. Then we have 12 plus 9 times 9. Now we have an addition and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first before working with our addition. 9 times 9 will give us 81. Then we have 12 plus 81. 12 plus 81 is equals to 93. 93 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.